All right, so if you already know the basics of ElevenLabs and want to use it like a pro, yeah, this is where things get interesting. I'll show you the exact workflow to get high quality, natural sounding results every time. First, your script matters more than anything. Keep sentences short, clear, and conversational. Avoid long, complicated lines. They don't sound natural in AI voice. Go to text to speech and paste your script. But here's the pro tip. Break your content into smaller chunks instead of generating everything at once. Now choose your voice carefully. You know, not just any voice, but one that matches your content style. Storytelling, ads, tutorials, they all need different tones. This is where most people mess up. Adjust stability and clarity depending on your goal. So higher stability for consistency, lower for more expression. Here's a pro move. Add commas, periods, or line breaks to control pacing. Yeah, this makes your voice sound way more human. Don't just generate once. Try multiple versions. Slight changes in text or settings can give you much better results. If you want next level quality, you can use voice cloning to create a unique voice for your brand. I mean, this is where it really stands out. Finally, download your audio and do light editing if needed, like trimming or adding background music. And yeah, that's how you use ElevenLabs like a pro. Once you master these small details, your content will sound way more polished and professional.